What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my last videos. I really appreciate it. I've had 2 videos that kind of go viral. I mean, nothing crazy, but like 1,000 views, and the other one's about almost 500. So thank you so much for watching. I am assuming it's because I am upping my quality, and I'm also not working as much on the videos because I want to not burn out. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any feedback for me on the newer videos, let me know. If you haven't watched the newer videos, just go back. I'll put them right here. But you can go back, you can go through the playlist. Today, we are going to be doing customer orders. I also have something to tell you about eBay. If this sounds all confusing and you've never met me before, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and basically the videos that I create are the ins and outs of business every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. I do only record now 5 days a week because I don't want to burn out, as I said in the video. So that's what I do. I hope you enjoy the video. So we're going to be going over the customer orders, like I said, but what I was going to tell you is my eBay store was on below average seller rating, and it was like that for over 1.5 years. And so my seller account dropped, my sales dropped, and I couldn't advertise on eBay. Well, just the other day I got reevaluated and now I'm above average again, which means I can advertise, which means I'm getting more sales. So today is going to be very busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Seriously, guys, like the love and support I get from every single video is amazing. Your comments, your likes, everything really means a lot to me. So let's get to the video. Let's get this, let's crush it. I'll see you guys in a bit. But before we get going on that, we definitely have to clean up the floor. So let's go get that done. Let's clean up the room and then we'll get started. So I'm having a great time. Basically, the printer jammed so bad that it had me restart the printer. Mind you, I was printing out my shipping labels for the envelopes. So when that happened, it shut down the job that I was doing. And now I'm trying to now reorganize all the addresses because I am trying to go in order with my customers. But now I have to print out all these order statements and cross out each and every envelope that did print out and ones that didn't, and then refund the other envelopes that did not print. So it's been a good morning. Let's just put it that way. All right, so we only ended up missing 6 out of like the 30. So not bad, but still kind of frustrating. Sometimes, guys, this stuff just happens, and it happens at the times where you feel the most relaxed, everything's good, but you gotta remember to just try to stay cool and get through it, knowing that doesn't happen every day. It's just an inconvenience, that's all it is. So I'm noticing at the end of every single line here, it keeps wrinkling. So I think it's the new envelopes that I bought. So I need to go back to these original ones, I think. All right, guys, we're not done, but we have all these we can get out right now, so I'm gonna go give it to my buddy Mick. Look at these puppies, it's got even more stuff out. So yeah, we are done with everything. Thank you so much for watching. Now we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with our Shopify account, we made $76.75. We made $126.10 on eBay. We made $370.97 on Amazon, so a total of $574 in revenue yesterday. So yeah, we are now at a total of $9,217 this month. We want to be hitting that 30K mark, as you all know. So just wish me luck, and also we're going into the winter time, so there will be more sales, hopefully. So if you guys enjoyed these videos, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me, and I do put a lot of work into these videos. Also, if you do enjoy these videos and you want to see me hit 30K a month, please subscribe down below. Make a video almost every single day until we hit that point. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Monday. Peace out.